Today, I summon to my life a positive mentality through which I can let go and be at peace. Behind my closed eyelids, the cool, dark space is soothing, inviting me to feel calm and tranquil. As I draw in a deep breath, every cell in my body is activated and energized, and I can feel the life current run from the base of my spine right up to the top of my head, bringing me to a state of greater awareness. As I exhale, I release a strand of my essence which merges with the cosmos. In this state, I am fully conscious of my entire being. I can see myself in the grander scheme of life, and I am an integral part of the universal ecosystem. Around every corner, and in every experience, there is a miracle that I embrace. I see beauty all around me, from the copper coin glinting in the sun's rays to the panting dog smiling on the street corner. I'm grateful for life's little gems, and I am open to receiving blessings in abundance. Right now, I surrender control and accept my life just as it is, knowing everything is well and everything will be well. Through gratitude, acceptance, and understanding, I have cultivated a positive mindset. What I sow is what I reap, and today I choose to sow the seed of limitlessness. I choose to open the doors or build new ones behind which my greatest life lies. I am ready to fulfill my destiny, and I feel a sense of empowerment as I become aware of my breathing again, and experience the cool, dark space behind my eyelids, which let in the light of my surroundings as I open my eyes again. I am joyous. I am open to feel joy.